We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle all the layout and styling, giving us a clean, modern look right out of the box. Here we set up the first section of the dashboard, the daily goal. We use a number input so the user can define how many tasks they want to crush today, and a paragraph tag, goal status, to display their progress later. This is the to-do list section. We have an input for typing new topics and an add button. The UL with the ID task list is currently empty. We will inject the list items here dynamically using JavaScript. Here we build the Pomodoro timer interface. We default the display to 25:00, which is the standard focus interval for this study technique. Finally, we add a canvas element for drawing a custom progress bar and a simple form to set a study reminder, which will trigger a browser notification. Now for the logic. We use an array called tasks to store our data objects. When adding a task, we push a new object with the text and a done status of false, then clear the input and re-render the list. The render tasks function wipes the current HTML list and rebuilds it from scratch based on the tasks array. It handles the strike-through styling for completed items and triggers updates for the goal status and the progress chart. Here we simply calculate how many tasks have done, true, and compare that number against the daily goal set by the user. For the timer, we use setInterval. Every 1000 milliseconds, 1 second, we subtract 1 from the time variable. If it hits 0, we stop the interval and trigger a notification. This helper function formats the raw seconds, e.g., 1500, into a readable mm+s string format using math and string padding. We draw the progress bar manually using the HTML Canvas API. We calculate the width of the green bar based on the percentage of completed tasks and fill the rest with gray. Finally, we handle reminders. We use setTimeout to delay the action by the requested number of minutes. The notify function uses the browser's native notification API to show a system pop-up when the time is up.